match has begun. Reads the play beautifully. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Good play, one-on-one. That's a corner kick. The cross is coming in. Poor decision making. Keeping possession nicely. Amazing shot! Pushing it forward. Seeking out a passing lane. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Pushing it forward. Square pass. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Looking for options. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping! The first half is over. We are looking forward to an even better second half. Ready for the second half. Forward. Play one-on-one. Excellent defending. Pass backwards, a bit passive. Going for goal. Square pass. Keeping possession. Strikes it in the box. A very timely interception. Pass backwards, a bit passive. Tried a through ball. Not a real challenge for the keeper. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Heavy shot. Proving unstoppable to dose the ball. Reads the play beautifully. No more time, the referee says.